Are you guys frustrated with using console.log, moving the cursor and opening the console many times while debugging your JavaScript code? It can be really tedious and time consuming to constantly switch back and forth between your code editor and the browser console. It is more disturbing when the website is still unresponsive, which makes the position of element changes and make them worse. But what if I told you there is an extension that can help you to get rid of these problems? Let me present the Hover Console extension, which allows you to debug your JavaScript code directly without visiting inspect. Okay, with the Hover Console, you can simply hover over your code and see the output in real time. No more switching between tabs, no more lost focus. Okay, so let me go to installing section. As you can see, this is the Hover Console website, and you can, if you have any question, you can ask here. Okay, so let's go back and go to extension. So here I'm going to Google and web extension. Here Chrome Web Store. Click here, and in the search section, search over and enter. Okay, you found this extension. Okay, I already added in my extension, so you can check it's here. Okay, and how you can use. Okay, let me show you. So let's go back to our code editor. Yeah, here you can see I have a HTML file that name index.html. So I will write a simple format here, and in the body section I'm going to give a button tag and name with as a click. Okay, now in the let me just give it a side by side so you can see it clearly. Yeah, so you now see it clearly. Okay, now move to here and give some style, but before that let me just here let me just open it live server so you can check the changes. Yeah, you can see when I just start a index.html live server file, you can check out here the Hover Console is coming out here. But what does it mean? What is the uses of this Hover Console? Let me show you. First we will just design it small. Okay, inside this body width will be 100%, height will be 100 ph as the screen size, and display will be flags, justify content center, and after that align item center. So the button will be in the center. And now move to button. I'm just increasing the size of the button, so I'm going to give button width will be 200 pixels and height will be 10 pixels. That sufficient. Okay, and font size would be 2 rem. That's enough. Okay, and I'm not going to just style this button. Okay, I'm just showing you how it's work. And here our main program here script. Okay, so now let's go back to script, and I'm just going to give you an example. So let me write let count 1, and here I'm going to give a function that is click. Okay, and inside this function I'm going to give console dot log, and here type just like procoder. Okay, and some column. Okay, and here add plus and type what is count, and count plus plus. So now move to here in this button tag. Let me just change this name to click to over click. It's look fine. Okay, not like that. Yeah, move to here and just type on click. I'm going to use on click function. Okay, and here I'm going to write over click and start the function. Okay, now here when I just let me show you the inspect. Okay, first, so inside this console when I just type over click and okay, so let me just correct it, over click and then start this function, you can check it out. here the procoder -1 written, but also inside this over console the procoder -1 written. What it's mean that you don't need to go to inspect section and check it out what is happening. The inspect section also console comes here. Okay, when I just click here, you can see the next tag, that is count plus plus, that I used here. This comes here, procoder 2, and then click as many times as you want, you can use it. Okay, so what does it mean? That you don't have to go through the inspector many times, when you just have to check your code, debug your JavaScript code. Okay, so you directly get this debug of your JavaScript code directly through this over console, this, and you can just customize or change the size as you want, and you can also minimize this, which comes here. Okay, and when you want, you just click here and it come again. Okay, now move to another one. Let me give you another example. Okay, so let me here add another button. Inside this button, let me add another program, that is reverse string. Okay, so I'm going to add a function and reverse string. Okay, inside this function, let me add a code that is reverse the string. Okay, so I'm going to write here procoder. Okay, and move to another one, that is console.log, and here str.split. It splitted the every word and then reverse it. Okay, then now you can see there are two buttons. Okay, first one is for over click, and second one is for reverse string. First I'm going to just remove this one in the right, reverse string. Okay, now when I just click on this first, but let me just type here click 1 and here click 2, so you can recognize it. Now when I just click on click 1, you can see here it write procoder, just like I using console. Okay, now when I just click on click 2, it just reverse my string like procoder red o top. So it is very useful in your pre websites that you want to check your inspect using your inspect, and it changes your website elements, which is very difficult to understand. Okay, so in this section you can check it out, and you can also minimize it and use it what you have to do, and then if you want to check again, you just come here. Okay, it automatically starts when you just start your offline projects like this document. Okay, and it also access on offline one, so fine. So just go and check it out, this website. I will provide you link in the description. Okay, and try it, it is very useful for you guys. One more thing, many subscriber comments me what you have used to check the responsiveness. So this is the extension that I use to check the responsiveness. Okay, so let me show you what is that. Here in this Chrome Web Store, you just go here to this search extension and type mobile simulator, and you can get this extension. Okay, so just go to edit and pin this here, and you can just click on this. Now you can see you have many options here, you can use anything you want. So that's all about today's video. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe our channel for new content, and press the bell icon to all, so you can get our new video notification as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all today. Thank you.